Today what we're going to be looking at is about taking out insurance, filling out proposal forms, and just a few more things to cover later on as well. This is the last part for insurance. For taking out insurance, you must complete a proposal form. This is basically like in your general application form. I'm going to zoom in here. I don't know how good the uh, image quality is. So we see here, look, it's an application form for insurance. You've named, details about who the person is. About this is for car insurance. So, obviously, about the vehicle, basically. The year, the model of the car, whether it's petrol, diesel, all these things. There's loads of different factors that will be taken into account. What kind of insurance you want. We looked at this before, comprehensive, third-party fire and theft, and third party only. So comprehensive, they want to be fully covered. The mileage that they estimate they'll do in a year, that's how much they drive. And we have other information down here as well. You have your no claims, we looked at that if you haven't crashed previously in the last couple of years. That's 6 years without claiming from your insurance, which would reduce the cost of your premium. Remember, the premium is the much you pay. So obviously you want to pay as little as possible for insurance. I said before that when I was starting off driving when I was 18, I was paying about €1,800, I think, a year for insurance, and now I'm paying about 700. So as the years go on and as you get more experienced and as you build up years without claiming, which is your no claims discount, your cost goes down, cost of the premium. So driving history, I just basically signed. So that's your proposal form. In a test, they could give, or an exam, they could give you details about somebody and ask you to fill it in, but it's it's quite basic. It's your general application form. So if you're taking out insurance, the policy excess is the amount the insured person must pay for any loss or damage to the insured item. The insurance company pays the rest. So what do I mean here? So look at the image here. You have a picture of a car, and well, the bonnet just looks like it's up, but maybe there's a bit of damage to the car. Let's just say all the front of that car there was damaged. Let's say the damage came to a total of €1,000, and that you claimed €1,000 from your insurance company. They might give you 800, and there might be something called a policy excess, which means, if you're making a claim, you'll have a policy excess of maybe €200, and then the other rest of it would be paid by the insurance company. Basically, the first €200 is yours to pay, and then the other 800 the insurance company will pay. So you'll have a policy excess. So basically, that means it's excess money that the insurance company won't give you, but you'll have to pay for yourself. So just think of it: if a car is worth €1,000 and it's damaged, and there's €1,000 damage, it's completely destroyed, the policy excess might be €200, whereas you'll have to pay the policy excess, and the rest of it, the other 800, the insurance company will pay. So exclusions are specific items or risks that are not insured. So there's some things that mightn't be insured. If you were going away in some trip, let's just say that there was a group that were going away on a school trip, and a college trip or something, let's say, and they were going to the Alps in Switzerland to go skiing. They might be insured to go skiing for 4 days, but there might be an exclusion that on a certain day, if there was a certain weather conditions, then you shouldn't go skiing, and your insurance company wouldn't cover you on those days. Basically, there's just an arranged agreement, because maybe the weather might be so bad on those days that the insurance company thinks it's so dangerous that you wouldn't be insured. An exclusion of specific items or risks that are not insured. Making a claim. So you've taken out your insurance. You set up the application form. Now that there's been a crash, and now you're making a claim. So you're trying to claim money from your insurance company. Again, we've our little example here. I'm going to zoom in. So what do we have? We have details. So Michael Martin from Enniscrone, County Sligo. All details about, this is a case of there's an iPad that's been stolen. He reported it to the guards. This is the date he reported it. That was the signed signature. So basically, he's sending this to his insurance company, giving all the details about what happened. His iPad was stolen, and he reported it to Officer Gavin Daly from Inniscrone Garda Station. It's basically, you're just giving the insurance company all the details, and it's a claim form. So this is our insurance company would ask you to complete a claim form. This is a standard form from the insurance company that the insured must complete when seeking compensation for a loss. The claim form requires details of how the loss occurred and the amount being claimed. So all we're looking at here is, okay, what happened here, what was the damage, and how much is being claimed. I'm actually not going to go too much more details because I have a little bit of work that I'm going to give you. It's kind of simple enough on you know putting through these forms. So I'm not going to add too much of it today. I'm going to give you a bit of homework, and I will I'll correct the homework that we've done this week then later on in the week. So that's it for today's video.